welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. So today we have Mr. Manoj from SolarYaan. Hello sir, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, it's good, and now the peoples are coming many more over here in REI exhibition. So we are happy, too much happy today more.
Sir, can you let us know about SolarYaan?
SolarYaan we had started in 2019, and 2020-25 almost we had catered the 11% market of PM Surya Ghars, and now we had started our own manufacturing, 1 gigawatt manufacturing facilities in Gujarat, Ahmedabad. So it's a proud moment for us.
That's great, sir. What are your product offerings for the REI 2025?
We are offering the on-grid and hybrid both products, but today we are launching the hybrid products from single phase, three phase, like many lithium-ion batteries in the storage, like 6 kilowatt, 12 kilowatt, 16 kilowatts. So many more products today we are launching, and this is we are launching today biggest hybrid inverters up to 125 kilowatts. This is the highest capacity across the India. So nobody have the 125 kilowatts hybrid inverter yet in India.
So if I talk about the technology, so what is the technology you are using for the products displayed over here?
Generally, there is two different technologies. One is the on-grid and second is the hybrid. So in both technologies are the different operational parameters, and different technologies are there.
Okay, sir. If I talk about the solar market, so how you see Indian solar market?
Indian solar market is really booming, and now it's a start. Now the installation really it will be starting. Now the phase is coming up to 2020-30. It is our Prime Minister has target in renewable. It is almost 500 gigawatts. But I will see the not only solar scope, but right now the scope is increasing the storage also. So I will be looking the market. It is great opportunity for the Indian market.
What are your plans for the distribution of products?
Right now we are across. Right now we are doing the distribution across the India, like many more states like Gujarat, MP, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, UP. Many more states right now we have catered yet.
And what are your expectations from the government?
Government had rolled out the good policy. This is the support required from the government sides.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.